Hello and welcome to Eagle Hive. And in this video series, we'll be focusing on the Primavera P6 EPPM. And in full, it is the Enterprise Project Portfolio Management. So, why Primavera P6 EPPM? Well, it enables the prioritization, planning, management, and evaluation of projects, programs, and portfolios in a very powerful and reliable and also user-friendly manner. It's a software well known from Oracle. So, in other words, it includes the project management, scheduling, risk analysis, opportunity management, as well as the resource management, collaboration, and cost capabilities. It is also well known for its ability to integrate with other enterprise software, such as from Oracle, such as SAP and ERP systems. So it's also important to understand which type of industries are well known for using the Primavera P6. So such industries are like the engineering and construction, normal industries, oil and gas, industrial manufacturing, and as well as public utilities such as governments. So much of the time you will find a comparison between Primavera P6 CPPM versus the Primavera P6 Professional. So the main difference between these two is that the P6 CPPM is for large scale projects and for managing multiple projects at the same time, while the P6 Professional is a machine based and does not require any internet access. Also, the P6 EPPM can be accessed remotely from anywhere via the internet connection. This is also possible via mobile device. More information can be stored in the P6 EPPM as it is cloud based than in the P6 Professional as it's only possible in a machine. So, in this video series, we'll be focusing on how to download, how to install, and also how to use Primavera P6 EPPM as well as Primavera P6 Professional. So stay tuned. Thank you.